Heat isn't just uncomfortable, it's a major problem in tech and daily life. Think about data centers. They waste billions in energy cooling servers that overheat, slowing down our digital world. Or crops. Extreme heat damages food production, raising prices for families worldwide. Right now, heat feels uncontrollable, like an unstoppable force. But what if we could program it? Scientists are close to making that a reality. Scientists have developed a material with groundbreaking heat control, like a smart gate for thermal energy. Picture a thin sheet that can instantly switch between allowing or blocking heat, much like flipping a light switch. This isn't just science fiction. Early prototypes show promise in cooling homes, protecting devices from overheating, and boosting energy efficiency. The magic lies in its atomic structure, which scientists can program to respond on demand without revealing all the details yet. This material works by controlling its atomic structure like a lattice of tiny building blocks that rearrange when heated. At low temps, atoms lock tightly, blocking heat flow. But when triggered, they shift into a looser state, letting heat pass through. It's like ice melting, the same atoms, but their arrangement changes dramatically. By designing this switchable behavior, scientists can program the material to act as a heat valve, turning it on or off with precision. Now, imagine Thermoflex transforming our world. Adaptive building materials could automatically adjust to heat waves or winter chill, no thermostat needed. For farmers facing severe droughts in the EU, portable cooling devices powered by Thermoflex can protect crops without guzzling electricity. Meanwhile, tech like phones and data centers would stay cool effortlessly, cutting energy waste. This material's phase transition acts as a heat-off switch at the nanoscale, making efficiency smarter than ever. This breakthrough isn't just about clever science. It's about reshaping our world. Right now, buildings gulp energy to stay cool, and drought-stricken crops wilt under the sun. But Thermoflex could flip that script. Imagine windows that automatically block heat during a scorcher or portable devices that keep farms alive without guzzling power. It's not just comfort, it's efficiency on steroids. And for tech, forget overheating phones or data centers. This material could let them run hotter, cooler, and smarter. The phase transition we talked about acts like an off switch for heat, saving energy while keeping things running smoothly. Now, some might ask, is this just another lab experiment? Sure, Thermoflex is still in early stages like a prototype car that hasn't hit the road yet. But here's what we do know. It works by controlling phase transitions, like flipping ice to water, but with heat instead of temperature. The real unknown? How to scale this for real-world use without draining batteries or costing too much. Scientists are still figuring out how to make it practical, like teaching a robot to walk smoothly before sprinting in the Olympics. This isn't just a lab curiosity. It's a glimpse into the future of energy-efficient tech. Imagine windows that automatically block heat during summer, cutting cooling costs by up to 30%. Or portable devices for farmers in drought-stricken regions, keeping crops alive without power-hungry ACs. For data centers, this could mean running hotter, cooler, and smarter, slashing energy use while preventing overheating. The challenge: scaling it up affordably. Scientists are still refining how to make Thermoflex practical for everyday use, but the potential is huge. Could this be the off switch for heat we've been waiting for? This isn't just science. It's about making our world smarter and more efficient. Imagine windows that automatically block heat during summer, cutting cooling costs by up to 30%. No more sweating over your energy bills. For farmers in drought-stricken areas, this material could power portable devices to keep crops alive without guzzling power. And for data centers, they could run hotter, cooler, and smarter, slashing energy use while preventing overheating. The challenge is scaling it up affordably, but the potential is huge. Could this be the off switch for heat we've been waiting for? This breakthrough didn't happen overnight. It was years of curiosity and persistence from a small team of scientists. Imagine them tinkering in labs, testing one material after another, driven by a simple question: what if we could control heat like a light switch? Their motivation? Solving real problems like helping farmers in drought-stricken regions or cutting energy costs for data centers. It's not just about the science. It's about people with big ideas, pushing boundaries to shape a smarter future. This breakthrough isn't just about the science. It's about solving real-world problems. like helping farmers in drought-stricken regions or cutting energy costs for data centers. But scaling this material up affordably is still a challenge. Think of it like trying to build a bridge that works perfectly in a lab, but needs to hold up under real-world conditions. It's a hurdle, sure, but one that could lead to smarter, more efficient tech if we push through it. This discovery is just the start. Imagine AI systems running cooler more efficiently, no overheating crashes, more power for learning, or farmers using this material to save crops in droughts without draining batteries. The possibilities stretch beyond labs, smarter homes, greener tech, even solving energy crises. It's not just about flipping a switch. It's about rewriting how heat works in our world. The real challenge? Making it affordable and scalable. But that's where the magic happens, turning science into solutions that change everything. This breakthrough is just beginning. Imagine AI systems running cooler, more efficient, no crashes from overheating. Farmers using this material to save crops without draining batteries. The possibilities are endless. But the real challenge? Making it affordable and scalable. That's where the magic happens, turning science into solutions that change everything. If this excites you as much as us, share this video with someone who loves cutting-edge science. Want to dive deeper?